Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week's tech tips, I'm going to give you some safe browsing tips. Internet safety can be deceiving. Seemingly reputable sites may contain spyware traps, or sites themselves may be counterfeit phishing sites posing as a real thing to lure you into their scams. The path away from the internet safety often begins innocently enough. However, certain sites are more prone to be the sources of spyware. These sites including manufacturing sites, adult sites, file sharing sites, social networking sites. So follow these internet safety tips for avoiding spyware and fortify your computer security right away. First, avoid questionable websites. Only download software from sites you trust. Carefully evaluate free software and file sharing applications before downloading them. Update your operating system. You need to increase your browser security settings. Type in trusted URLs for a company site into the address bar of your browser to bypass links in an email or instant message. For Google searches, do not click on any links with an ad box. Instead, look farther down the page. You see, Google cannot prevent hackers from buying AdWords, and they cannot track them that easy. So quite often those sites are fraudulent sites. Also make sure you have the best security software products installed on your home and business devices. Thank you and have a great day.